Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Saide's vlog. We are back again with another reaction video, people. But before getting into reaction, hope you guys are doing great. Okay, yeah. So the reaction that we are gonna work on today is for MC Insane, and the title of the track, I'm sure you already know it. It's "Save Me" from the album The Feel. Okay, we actually wanted to react on the other songs from the same album, but we were kind of bit late, so we couldn't react on that. Hopefully, we would be reacting soon, as per your request. But for now, let's get into "Save Me" and music by Christo Z.
Yeah, absolutely. And before getting into the reaction, we have been getting a lot of recommendation in the past, like Dimple said. And today is the day, guys. So all the MC Insane fans, you know what to do. Do subscribe. And one good thing is, I think this is a young artist, and we would like to promote people who are young. So it's interesting reaction. It's gonna be, guys. And watch till the end because we will not take a pause, but we will give our honest opinion at the end. And one thing is, he's from Northeast, right? So first time we are reacting somebody who hails from that part of India. So it's an exciting journey for us. So without talking much, should we head into the reaction?
Yes, of course. Let's get into the reaction, guys.
MC Insane, guys, for you for the first time.
Save me.
Save me.
Christo. मुझे बचा लो, कोई अब ना कोई बचाने को है। जब से गए हैं वो अब ना कोई हंसाने को है। गहरा चोट गहरी सोच लेके चल रहा, आधी अधूरी जान वो भी अब जाने को है। आंखें खोल इस दुनिया को तू दे, जिस सवारी पे हम बैठे उस पे नहीं है ब्रेक। सबके दरवाजे देखे मेरे लिए बंद, या तो मेरा कल हो या तो कल हो मेरा। आईडी पे है जितने लाइक्स आर आई के पे वो डबल। डेड बॉडी यानी प्यार, उसका जिंदा रहना ट्रबल। तुझे प्यार नहीं आया, थोड़ी दया भी नहीं आई। जो कांड किया तूने देता चेहरे पे दिखाई। तुझसे नफरत नहीं करता और वो हो न पाए कभी। तुझसे प्यार करने का अब कोई कारण ही है नहीं। लाइट्स ऑफ शट डाउन कर दिया है दिल को, जिस पे रहते हो तुम छोड़ डाली उस महफिल को। कॉलेज की दोस्ती कॉलेज तक ही रह चुकी है। वो लड़की स्ट्रॉन्ग, वो काफी टॉर्चर सह चुकी है। मैं रहता खुश जब भी करती है वो दिल से स्माइल। वो नहीं चाहती मुझे काफी बार कह चुकी है। ये 2 दिन के रिलेशन और कुछ दिनों के ड्रामे, जिसम में लगी आग को ये प्यार क्यों बताते। मुझे बचा लो इस शहर में नहीं कोई मेरा अपना। अगर तू है खुदा तो अपने पास ही बुला ले। घर पे कहता सब है ठीक, पैसा भी है मेरे पास, क्योंकि नहीं मैं भूला मेरा जन्म हुआ पुअर क्लास। कितना प्रेशर दूं मैं घर पे, इससे अच्छा खुद देखो। नहीं बना इंजीनियर कहते छोड़ दो इस कुत्ते को। आज यही कुत्ता अम्मा भोंकता है माई पे। आज तेरा कुत्ता बड़ा हुआ तेरे डांट से। तूने कहा तू क्यों मर न गया मेरी कोख में, पर आज ये आवाज अम्मा लाखों की आवाज है। सबसे कहता खुश रहो पर खुद से ज्यादा खुश नहीं। जब भी पूछे क्या हुआ मैं हंस के कहता कुछ नहीं है। बताना कुछ तो पर वो शब्दों से न हो गया। खिला हुआ चेहरा था मुरझाने जैसा हो गया। उतर चुके आधे में ही कहने वाले टिल्ली है। बैठे साथ वही जिनकी बातें मुझसे मिलती है। व्यूज पे नहीं ध्यान, बस फैलाना था रियलिटी। मासूमों से झूठ कहकर चाहिए नहीं मिल रही है। कहती माँ बेटा तू क्यों नहीं आता माँ के आंचल में। आस लेके बैठी मेरी बुढ़िया अरुणाचल में, पर शर्म से नहीं कहता कुछ मैं कैसे जाऊँ खाली हाथ। मन है काफी कुछ तुम्हें कमा के कलम कागज से। शैतान अपनी माया से तू बख्श दे। रोज रात फूका रोता रहता छत पे। रोज सोचू अभी खत्म कर दूं सब कुछ ही, शायद मौत देगी मुझे मेरी हर खुशी। कुछ बातें यार हम दोनों की नहीं मिलती, कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स है जो नहीं समझती फैमिली। उस बच्चे को मत बोलो कि वो कुछ भी नहीं, शायद उसकी सबसे बड़ी ताकत ही है ऑनेस्टी। एक लड़की कहती सेफ फील होता मुझे तेरे साथ, रहना चाहती रात को इरादा मुझे दिखता साफ। मैं नहीं करता उसके साथ, कहती मुझे के हो क्या, फिर सुनती मेरी स्टोरी कहती मुझे तुमसे प्यार हो गया। पर बेबी मैं नहीं वैसा जैसा तूने सोचा। एक को ही दिया दिल उससे नहीं किया लोचा, और किसी लड़की से वो फील ही नहीं आता। तूने क्या बनाया मुझे समझ भी नहीं आता। किसी से ना हुआ इतना ज्यादा हुआ तुझसे हर मर ही जाता माँ अगर बचाती नहीं आखिरी वक्त। नहीं पता क्यों ऐसा लगा तेरे बिन मैं रह ना पाऊँ। सारी बातें कहता पर जो कहना वो मैं कह ना पाऊँ। मेरा बचपन मेरा सच भुला ना पाऊँ कभी। एग्जाम देने जाता पापा लेके आते थे ही। उस पापा से है वादा उनको लेके जाना दुबई, पर तरीका थोड़ा अलग पापा समझे मेरे नहीं। दिया सबको साफ पानी मुझे मिला विश, बना मिस्टर शिफ्ट पी के बोला सब है ठीक। बंदूक मेरे पास उसकी लाइसेंस है नहीं, एक ही बुलेट इसमें मेरा नाम ही। बहुत बुरी तरह फंसा मैं इस खेल में। मामा मुझे डालो फिर से अपने जेल में, फिर से लेके चलो मुझे मेरे पास में। काफी को बनाया यहाँ मैंने खुद को बांट के। वो भूल चुके सब कुछ उनको देने वाला मौत, उनके कब्र के ऊपर लिखूं है साथ फरामोश। अगर पुलिस देखे ये गाना तो लोग अब करो साफ, ये गेम तगड़ी चाल गलती को ना मिले माफ। इसलिए मैं बोला हो सके तो सेफ मी, करने वाला काफी पाप और कारण उनके है भी। सामने से मारूंगा तुम खेलोगे बस हाइड एंड सीक, क्लोज जब भी होता मैं ना रखता हूँ कोई प्राइवेसी। और हम सभी एक्टर जो भी मुझे सुने सारे इमो कैरेक्टर। फॉरएवर वाला बॉन्ड इसमें चाहिए नहीं प्रमोशन, खरीदो व्यूज कैसे तुम खरीदोगे इमोशन। हेटर्स पे न ध्यान फीलिंग लाइक हम बादशाह, मेरे बंदे सारे मुझे वाला कर में दे कोई हादसा। टाइम पे न मिलता माइक तो बन जाता मैं साइको, क्या मैसेज दो रफ्तार भैया मुझे भी एक माइक दो। छोड़ो ये सब मैं पागल हो गया, पैरों का धूल वो बादल हो गया। तुमने धागा समझा जिसको वो चादर हो गया, मेरे कानों का चल मैं फादर हो गया। मैं काफी ज्यादा बुरा हूँ, तेरे दुश्मन को जो लगे पहले मैं वही छुरा हूँ। मेरे बारे कुछ मत बोलो मुझसे आके मिलो, वो सुनते हैं कुछ ग्राम और सुनाते हैं वो किलो। मुझे बचा लो, मुझे बचा लो, मैं कोई ना रहा, ना कोई मेरा यार अपना। मुझे बचा लो, ना कोई मेरा अपना, मुझे बचा लो।
Beautiful storytelling. Pretty emotional journey, but we'll talk about it, guys. We'll talk about it.
That was Save Me from the album The Feel from MC Insane, reacting for the first time, but just loved it, you know. He himself, MC Insane, his lyrics are like insane, I would say. The way he has written, I can just refer it to the bullets which is flying all over from the machine gun, you know. So that's how he has written this song, and it has got a very deep meaning to it, you know. He's talking about his own life, and if I have to just briefly speak about it, we could see that, you know, he started off praying in the church, right? So from there, I think he's talking to the God, to the Lord, saying save me, right? He has got a lot of emotional thing, he has gone through that heartbreak, and he want to express so many things which he's not able to. There are certain things which is which is stopping him to express those things, you know. And he's also talking about his mom who is there in Arunachal, right? So overall I think this is like really emotional song. But then, hey, no need to be emotional, bro, we are here, right? All your fans are loving you, so this is a very big heart from both Sailesh and me as well, right? and the way it ended was like positivity in that last verse, you know, because he was talking about Raftar, he was talking about those microphone thing, and they were like certain happy references that he was putting across on the verse, right? Just loved it. Oh my god.
Absolutely.
Killer.
I think Dimple summarized it pretty well, but I'll cover some of the things, right? So first is the talent itself. The vocal quality was so touching. There is a lot of emotion, and the cinematography was brilliant. The way it started in the church and the other sections of the song too was really fantastic, right? So, but more than that, the storytelling ability of this guy is like Herculean, immense, man. This is like too deep from the heart. So there is something that you can cook, and there is something that comes out from within you, right? So this is the experience that he has gone through. He has lived everything that he has portrayed in 7 minutes, man. And the good thing was we were able to connect, right? To Hum Sab, we were able to follow the lyrics that he was saying and maybe relate it in some way or some form, right? So people go through this kind of experiences in and out. So that was the beauty, that the audience was able to connect to what he was saying, and also for a brief 7 minutes was able to see what was happening in his life. So what a great storyteller this guy is.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So and few things, right? So he talked about his love life. He talked about heartbreak. He talked about how he used to love the girl, right? So whatever happened, just happened. But he is so deeply heartbroken, right? So till now he is not able to come out of it. So he should immediately come out, and good things will happen to him. He is a great artist. So that was one aspect. The other was people used to mock him down, but today I think he talked that he earns good amount of money. People are liking what he is doing, and that is the positivity, right? And there are third things about haters. So people try to hate him and all. He's also talking about his fan following, his gang, his army, and there was a small reference to Moosewala, and also he was also telling that Raftar, I am here kind of thing, right? So do you want to look at what I am doing? So very positive things, man. And there is a sad element about Save Me. I think he is already there, so nothing to worry. Everybody loves you, and the storytelling is fantastic. One line that struck in my mind was before going to exam, his dad used to give him dahi, right? Dahi is basically given for a good omen, so that he does well in exam. And his dream was to take him to Dubai. I think that's what he said. So I'm sure he will take him to Dubai someday or the other, man. This guy is a good. He's in the right track, right path. Just don't focus on the saddened side of life. Focus on the bright aspect of life, man. That's what we both can say. But amazing, we love it. So all the Insane fans,
He literally made us emotional. Yeah.
all the Insane fans, hit that subscribe button for more quality updates like this. And with that,
people, stay connected with us, okay? Like, share, comment, whatever you want to do, people. Any which ways we have reacted on MC insane lyrics, right? So
absolutely.
yeah, people, we will be reacting more in future as well on his tracks from the album The Feel, okay? How was the reaction, people, by the way? But then, to having said this, we are literally emotional as well, you know? Yeah, so yeah, people, see you in our next reaction.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.